This video contains affiliate links. If you buy through my link, I earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. This tiny stick just turned my old bedroom TV into a full smart TV, and the setup took me less than 3 minutes. So I had this perfectly good 40-inch TV, but it was a dumb TV. No Netflix, no YouTube, nothing. I was about to spend hundreds on a new TV. Then I found Bingeo. Here's how simple it is. You plug this small HDMI stick into your TV, connect to Wi-Fi. That is literally it. 3 minutes and you are streaming. It runs on Android 14, which means fast, smooth navigation. No lag, no freezing. You get access to Netflix, YouTube, and all your favorite streaming apps. Plus, it comes with a voice remote so you can search for shows without typing anything. Picture quality is clean, sharp 180p HD, looks great on any standard TV. And the size, this thing is smaller than your thumb. Perfect for travel. I took mine to a hotel and plugged it into the room TV. Instantly had all my apps ready to go. Now I will be honest, if you already have a Fire Stick or Roku, you do not need this. But if you have an old TV collecting dust somewhere, this is the easiest and cheapest way to bring it back to life. No new TV, no cable bill, no complicated setup. Link is in the description below. They have a discount running right now. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. See you in the next video.